Ever feel like you're working for your bank account rather than your bank account working for you? I used to spend every payday manually moving money between savings, rent accounts, and spending pots, usually forgetting at least one of them until a direct debit failed. After 2 years of tweaking my Monzo setup, I've found the sweet spot where my entire financial life runs on autopilot. Here is exactly how I've structured my automations to save hours of admin every month. The salary sorter. The moment my paycheck hits, Monzo asks if I want to sort it. This is the foundation. I have it set to automatically move fixed amounts into specific pots the second the funds clear. The bills pot, I calculated my total monthly fixed costs, rent, utilities, gym, subscriptions, and added a 20-pound buffer. Using the pay from pot feature, all my direct debits come out of here, not my main balance. This means the number I see on my home screen is actually safe to spend. The rainy day tax, I have a 10% slice of my salary go straight into an instant access savings pot before I even have a chance to see it as available money. Round UPS on steroids. Most people know about Round UPS, but the standard version is too slow for real growth. I use the roundup multiplier. Instead of just saving the 20p change from a coffee, I set a 2x or 5x multiplier. It's a psychological trick. You don't notice an extra £1 leaving your account during a transaction, but at the end of the month, I often find an extra £100 to £200 tucked away in a high-yield pot without having felt the sacrifice. IFT integration, the guilty pleasure trigger. This is where the automation gets clever. By linking Monzo to IFT, if this then that, I created a reward and penalty system. The gym reward, every time my phone's GPS logs me at the gym for more than 45 minutes, IFT triggers a £5 transfer from my main account into a holiday pot. The coffee cap, I set a trigger that if I spend money at a specific coffee chain more than 3 times a week, it automatically moves £10 into a savings pot as a tax on my habit. It makes me think twice about that fourth latte. Low balance protection. To avoid the dread of a declined card, I set an IFT automation that monitors my main balance. If it drops below £50, Monzo automatically pulls £50 from a designated buffer pot. It acts as a safety net that prevents embarrassing moments at the checkout and keeps me away from the overdraft. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.